Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete YouTube Kids history using your mobile device. To delete your YouTube Kids history on your mobile device, launch open the YouTube Kids application first and make sure that you're logged in. After you are signed in, go and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then solve a simple math problem or enter your custom passcode. After you do that, you'll open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, select your kid's profile by tapping on their name and then enter your Google account's password to access your kid's profile. After you do that, you will end up in your kid's profile where you'll need to scroll all the way down and you will see Clear History button there. Tap on Clear History in order to delete all the watch and search history from your kid's profile. Tap on OK to confirm, and you will then be able to delete your watch history. You can also optionally pause the watch history by toggling the switch right next to Pause Watch History, and after you do that, from now onwards, you can pause the watch history which might be recorded from the chosen time period. This will pause the watch history and stop using new video views to recommend content. So that way you will be able to delete all of your watch history or clear your watch history on YouTube Kids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.